Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, what a racket.
That's good.
Your name is?
Enrique.
Are you supposed to be in this class or in Jan's?
It was ruled in the close class.
Yeah, but
You asked to change.
Yeah.
Shane. And he said here.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, damn it, another bloody. Right, okay, so, where is it? Okay. Right, I'm going to give you out some questions and I want you to prepare, okay? So, the way you're going to prepare is find functional language for opinion. Okay, and the other one, find that one. Come in. Yeah. Okay, good. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you. Okay, so first thing, I want you to read over these questions. They are about physics. Okay, oh, look at that. Okay, they're about physics, but they're easy questions about physics. Okay, so I want you to find functional language for opinion, and then I want you to think about your answers. Okay, you understand that? Okay, Enrique, you move your ass over there, and Alan, you move there. Okay, and I was going to spray sexy Seamus with the okay, right.
Unfortunately, just those three from Declan's class.
The only other person would have been
This chap here, yeah.
who else was here yesterday? There was someone else, no?
Thais should be coming
Thais.
here.
No, no, Thais wasn't here yesterday. Who?
Andrea.
Andrea?
For Spain.
Oh no, no, Andrea is from this class. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that guy Bertan should come.
Bert. Oh yeah, Bert.
Okay, guys, thank you.
Ah, yeah, the driver. The driver, yeah.
Even when I give it to you, I drop it in the okay, that's right there. This one there. And this one here. This one here. This one here. And this one. Right, off you go, quickly, quickly. So find some functional language. You will need your phone. That means for the first time when I ask you to use your phone, okay? So well done. Functional language for opinion and think about your answer. Okay, off you go, quick. So you will need your phone for number one, okay? So use ChatGPT for that, okay? Generate some functional language. Should I do it here or in there?
Here.
No.
Please.
Come here, Burton.
I didn't know that, so I think it's so far. I need.
Okay, so I want you to get some functional language for opinion, so PE, and then at the bottom, you can put your answers. Okay, I'll give you another 2 minutes. Okay, doke. All right. So can I get 1, 2, 3, 4, Rambo, 5. You facing that way. So move your chairs and face that wall. And the other 5. So we land down to Alan. You face this direction. Okay, opposite. Okay. So move your chairs out that way. Okay. Move your chairs. 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 Excellent. Let's move them back a bit more. No, you, yes, yeah. Excellent. Alan, you're, yeah, no, you're facing this way. Hang on now. 1, 2, 3. Yes, okay. So you will be facing the other students. Yes, now Burton, you move your chair down, and Wayland, you move your chair down as well. So you face one of them. You face one of those students. Yes, it's a little easier. You move your ass down here. Okay, Rambo, you move down here. Yes, your feet, yes. It will be a very boring conversation if you're just looking at the wall. Okay, yes. My God.
Is this a clinical trial?
Yes, okay. Give you. Oh, it's too early to do anything. Yes, right, okay, so give yourself a bit of space. All right, so for the, oh, I could murder you. Okay, my God. Okay, right, okay, so get down here, we'll send it for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to only ask you to read, or sorry, to answer the first question for the first few minutes. Okay? Off you go. Don't answer 2, 3, just number 1. Okay? Off you go. Quick. So with your partner. So Luis, you were with, and Alan, you were with Dr. Victor Casada, etc. Virgin, you were with So these are the questions you would have to if you want, you can try this. Okay. So what are these? Just number 1. Finished? Right, stop. Okay, so if you look at the board, what is wrong with that?
When you are traveling.
Yeah, okay, so Alan, this was you. Okay, so when you are traveling or when you travel. Okay, so it's a common mistake for a lot of you to just go like that. Okay, if you do that, there's no tense. Okay, so when you are traveling or when you travel, what's the difference? What's that mean?
Depends on the emphasis that you want to do, no? In the
So what's the emphasis if you use this one?
more time, no?
When you
Continuous.
are travel is just a date, and when you are traveling is like continue.
Okay, when you say when you are traveling, you want to think of the photo, or sorry, the camera on your phone. You look at that, and what are you doing at that time when you look through? When you say when you travel, you're talking about all the time. Okay, you understand that? It's just a perspective difference. Okay, now this side, okay, this side move down. So you move down, and Enrique, you come to here. Okay, so Enrique, come to here. Fabiola, you move down. Luis, move. No, this group, you stay where you are. Luis, move your ass down. Okay, excellent. Yes, one down, and I want you to answer question 1 again. Okay, off you go. Simple. First question again, right? Yeah, well, yes, but boring. Okay, a boring speed date. Right, off you go. Wait, answer question 1 again. Yawn.
patriotic, kind of like material, it's kind of probably to find if I was the most reactive probably because everyone is expecting to see this people similar
You always have to go back to the person or you need to
Don't give me the smiley faces now, ladies. Stop! Okay, so this group, the smiley faces are finished again on time. So what's the comparative of deep? Deeper. Okay, and the superlative?
Deepest.
Deepest. And what is the comparative of the adverb?
Deeply? No, don't. Doesn't have.
Again?
More deep.
Yeah.
more deep.
More deeply. And this?
The most.
Most deeply.
Okay.
Okay, so some of you keep making a mistake and putting more deep here. It's correct, but it makes you sound a little bit lower level. Okay? So I know you know this, but be careful of it. What's wrong with this? Sometimes, yeah, exactly. Okay, so 2 or 3 times you did this, Luis. Okay, you must put in a subject. Okay, you can't remove it in English. And do you use will or would for those questions?
Wool,
Why?
because it's something imaginary.
Exactly. And what did you use? Will. Right, okay, move your asses down and I want you to answer question 2. Okay, Luis, move that lovely hair down here. Okay, Enrique, you move your ass down. Fabiola, move your ass down. Luis, move your ass! For God's sake. Right, excellent, excellent. There! Jesus!
Well, just the way you move.
Yes, yes. You're getting to meet new people. Right? Yes. No, question 2. Question 2. Right, stop! Stop. Some of you are very quick. No names being mentioned. Right, okay, so pronounce that for me, please, Dr. Victor Casada.
Sometimes.
Yes, okay, so be careful with the yes. How do you pronounce this if you're a Spanish speaker? Excellent. How do you pronounce this if you're a Chinese speaker?
Excellent.
Ek.
Ec-
If you're Italian?
Excellent.
Again?
Excellent.
Yes, I forgot about this at the end. If you're a French speaker?
Excellent.
Very good. If you're a Portuguese speaker?
Brazilian speaker.
Wow.
You get smart now. Again?
Excellent.
Okay, now how do you pronounce this?
Example.
Okay, so this one and this one are pronounced like g, z, and these two, they're pronounced like k, s, and it's to do with the sounds after. So, excellent, exciting. 3, 2, 1.
Exciting.
3, 2, 1. Exhilarating. Exhilarating. What does exhilarating mean? I'll give you a clue. It's the exact opposite of this. What's that mean? It means very exciting. Very exciting. Right, move your asses again. Okay, and answer question 3. Okay, off you go. Simple, simples.
It's a process. There's complete mind of the view that we don't know. From our solar system, it's fine, and we can say about so far,
Nobody knows what? What kind of energy? Okay, so. Okay, right. Now, just for clarification, how much do physicists think we don't know? So, how much do we know about the universe? Like the things that we really know about?
I think only the 1% no.
No, we think we know about 5%, and 95% we don't really know. So there's something that, like the universe is getting bigger, and it's being pushed apart faster and faster all the time, and we think that's called dark energy, and then there's dark matter as well, and if you put them together, you get about 95%, but we don't know what they are. Okay?
In fact, including this planet Earth, the scientists don't know about the abyssals, the deeper of
Oh yes, but we know there's something down there. But this, we don't even know what it is. Okay, so there's something that's making the universe accelerate further and further away from, so things will get further and further away. If you look in a few million years, if you were on the Earth, now the Earth won't exist, but in a few billion years, you would look into the space and there will be nothing, because the light will not travel to us in enough time. So anyway, enough of that rubbish. If you look at the top here, so Enrique said this is a common mistake for Spanish speakers especially. Okay, what's wrong with this? It's supposed that, no, really what they want to say is this. I suppose that. It's a very weird construction in English to say it is supposed that. Very often what the Spanish speaker will do is it is supposed that I. You don't say that. You want to say I suppose that blah blah blah. It will be bigger in the future, or I suppose we'll find out in the future. Okay, right, next question, number 5. Okay, off you go. Simple. Oh, fantastic. Thais, you come down here.
Hey, Enrique is very low.
Okay, stop. Very easy this time. How do you pronounce that word? Ancient. Okay, so again, almost correct. Do it again there, Enrique.
Ancient.
Now, what's the problem? Yeah, the T. Okay, so again, almost all of you just eliminate the last consonant when you're pronouncing words in English, and because of that, you can cause problems with comprehension for native speakers. Okay, so ancient.
Ancient.
Much better. Stand up, Enrique. Now, usually the students enjoy this activity. Okay, now I want you to go like that when you pronounce the T. So it's ancient. Okay?
Ancient.
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 Yeah, now usually, okay, sit down now. Come over here. You didn't really do it the way that, yeah, good. This lady, she's a real expert at this. Okay? Yes. Yeah, very weak there. Okay, so ancient.
Ancient.
Yes. Idiot. Yes. Did you see the power? Okay, do it again.
Ancient.
That hit my hand. Sit back down. Okay? Okay, so you need to be stronger with the pronunciation of the last consonant. Okay, so move down again. And what question are we on now? I lost it. So we're on 6 now, no?
6,
5? Okay, 5. Is it? No. It's not.
This is 6.
No.
We skip 4.
Oh, you skip? All right. Okay, so do whatever. Which one are you on now? 6. Okay, do 6. Right off you go. Six.
Your answer is that your man is
I would like to go
like for you, maybe one or two times a year.
It's not possible to
No, I mean the space is too big. But we need to imagine that. No, but maybe we need to imagine that you will have all the life of your leadership, food, water, and all that.
because we don't know the effect that in our body.
Okay, stop. Okay, so
We need more information.
again.
Sheep. Sheep. Zip. Zip. Jeep. Jeep.
Very good.
Sheep. 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 Jeep.
Okay, now I think you would have heard some of the mistakes here. So Alan, stand up. Out there at the back. It's okay. This man was laughing, so you're up as well. Okay, excellent. Thank you. Yes, exactly. Okay, now can you, Alan? Why are you facing the wall? Okay, Alan, turn around. Okay, now the two of you, I want you to go. Shh. 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 Ship.
Sheep. Sheep.
Very good. Now, for this one, what do you have to do? Cha cha cha. Okay, come on now.
Cha cha cha. Sheep.
No, cha 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 chip. So a little bit longer there.
Cha cha cha. Sheep.
Now, Alan.
Cha cha cha. Sheep.
Very good. Chip.
Sheep.
So again.
Cha cha cha. Sheep.
Very nice, very nice. Now, what's the difference between these two sounds?
More long.
No. Okay, what's the sorry, what's the difference between them? What? Yes, very good. Sit down there, Alan. Is your name Alan? Stand up. Okay, sit down. Okay, very good. Okay, right. So now, just 1 second there, please. So I would like you to turn your chair there just a bit. Okay, so turn your chair so face each other. Now the difference between these is just the vibration in your vocal cords. Okay, just so. No. Okay, excellent. What the hell is this? You're not going to get the vibration in the arms. Okay? Okay, so put your hands there. Yes, very good. Okay, and look into your eyes. We won't say anything to what it'll be. Okay, okay, so. Okay, you should feel nothing. Now go. Okay, that vibration could be romance. Okay, but it could be the vocal cords vibrating here. Okay, so the difference between sip and zip is just that vibration. So everyone, try it. Sip, zip. Okay, so that's the difference between them. Okay, sorry. Okay, the move again. I think second last one, is it? What is that, number 7? Okay, so move again. So Rambo, so Thais, you move in there. Okay, off you go, quick.
Maybe others
time machine.
Socialize. Okay, stop. Okay, can you look at the board just for a sec? Okay, so the one up there, okay, so these. So if you're, again, typically Spanish speakers have a problem with this, eliminate this letter. And just replace it with that. How do you pronounce that? You. Don't say Jew. How do you pronounce this word? Yes. Okay, so you are not the Spanish speaker, so you're fine. Okay, so Raylan, pronounce that.
Yes.
Yeah, so they don't have a problem with this. You pronounce it?
Yes. 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 Yes.
No. Yes.
Yes. Okay, right. Okay, so just be careful. If you're a Spanish speaker, put in that. Okay, all the time. Eliminate it. A lot of you have a problem with these kind of words. Say that for me. Random. If you're not clear, an English speaker might think you're saying something like random or random. Okay, so you have to be a bit clear with this. It's the same with this. Lots of you sound like you're saying problem, instead of problem. Do it again. Yeah, very good. Okay, what's wrong with this? Oh, it's a religion thing. What do you want to put here instead of religion?
Religious?
Yeah, religious. So you want to use an adjective, not a noun. Okay, so it's a religious thing. And the last thing, could you tell me what is the difference between these two? Andrew always comes to class, and Andrew is always coming to class. What tense is that? Present. Present simple. Present perfect. I'll be moving you down to elementary. Okay? So when do you use that? For what reason?
The routine.
Yeah, routine. So Andrew always comes to class. Okay, so what tense is this?
Present continuous.
Present continuous. Why do you use the present continuous? For what reason?
It's happening right now.
Yeah, so it's happening right now. Does that contradict that sentence? How can something always happen right now? Okay? So there seems to be something wrong with this, but no, okay? If you use the present continuous with words like this, always or constantly or frequently or whatever, this means what? It's a routine that's irritating. Okay? So if you were irritated by the fact that I never miss a day, okay, I'm always here, and I know some of you, please, one day can Andrew be missing? Please, just one day, 1 week. How would you read that?
Andrew? The wrong sentence?
No, I just want you to read my name. Yes, of course, the full sentence.
Okay, Andrew is always coming to class.
Yes, but you're supposed to be irritated, not like Andrew is always coming to class. Elena, read that in an irritated fashion.
Andrew is always coming to class.
Okay, go up on this. Go up on this. So do it again.
Andrew is always coming to class.
Oh my God, Andrew is always coming to class.
Yes, very good. And if you see, does everyone understand this word? No, she doesn't have to act. That's true. Okay? Does everyone understand what an eye roll is? Like this. If you do that as well, that's extra. Okay? So again.
Andrew is always coming to class.
Oh, the French are very good at this as well. The French are very good at this. Wayland, I'm pretty sure you're good at this as well. Come on now.
Andrew is always come to class.
Yes, right. It's always.
Coming to
Yeah,
class.
exactly. Okay, so on 3, 2, 1, I want you all to pronounce this. But when you pronounce this, I want you all to stand up. And then for this, sit down again. Okay? 3, 2, 1.
Always.
Idiot! My name is Andrew, not always. God, Michael, you're embarrassing me in front of the others.